Hi everyone, Bapak Crypto here, a crypto educator who would like to help you make an informed decision when trading and investing in digital assets. Today is the weekend, yay! So you know what time it is? It's Crypto Educator React time. So for today, I will react to this video by Vice News. In case any of you not aware of Vice News, is one of those media company that covers people in the fringe of the society or things that are often not covered by mainstream media. Like today, they go to Indonesia and they cover Indonesia and crypto in Indonesia. Since I love crypto and of course I love Indonesia, since I'm Indonesian, I choose this video. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I believe I will. I mean, this is my first time watching this video and it'll be new. If it's your first time, you'll be reacting together with me. And for me, I will focus more on the crypto part of the discussion. Now, this topic about whether crypto is halal or not may be quite a sensitive topic, and I do not want to delve too much on the religious part of it. But of course, I will try to give my idea from my experience, because I am from Indonesia and I have a lot of Muslim friends. In fact, last time, my first job is as a financial advisor, and I have a lot of Muslim friends who are often want to know what are the investment is invested in, what are the investment about, because they are worried about whether the investment halal or not. I mean, some company like Walmart, which is, even though it's a typical normal market chain, supermarket chain, but because they might sell alcohol, something that is not halal for Muslim, it may not be deemed halal as an investment. So other things like when you're investing in something related to pork, related to gambling, or related to sexual activities and whatnot, it may not be deemed halal as a halal investment for some of my clients who are Muslim. So that is why I know a bit about this, but I don't claim that I'm an expert. So I try to be as sensitive as possible when tackling this issue and maybe as informative as possible. So let us watch this video together. Stick around.
Indonesia is the most populous Muslim country in the world. It's also the biggest economy in Southeast Asia. The country had its first recession in more than 2 decades in 2020. Local businesses continue to struggle through the pandemic. In a Jakarta suburb, Abdul Halim runs a small herbal drink shop.
Benar, ekonomi ini tahun ini benar-benar ekonomi sangat terpuruk, Pak. Dagang jamu itu cuma buat bayar listrik doang sih saya. Kadang-kadang, aduh, ya Allah, kapan ini pandemi ini selesai? Ya, kita harus benar-benar kira-kira yang bisa jadi peluang buat uang tambah-tambah dapur, gimana caranya?
Halim turned to a new way of trying to bring in money. Cryptocurrency.
Ya Pak, jadi kita yang dilihat di sini nih, aplikasi seperti ini. Cuman kita untuk transaksinya di sini nih.
He put around $350 into Bitcoin and started crypto trading, trying to make a profit by buying and selling different crypto coins as their rates fluctuate.
Okay, my first impression of this, looking at the interface of this trading software, it looks like a very famous trading software called MetaTrader. For those of you who are well-versed in FX trading, you will know about MetaTrader. And I mean, they do have some coins in the MetaTrader platform thing, but usually it's the major coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and you're not exactly buying the coins. It's more like a certificate for differences. So you will place a position, and when you close, the difference is your profit or loss. The difference in price is your profit and loss. Of course, as usual, if you are buying, you expect the price to go up, and when you're selling, you expect the price to go down.
Nah, ini juga profit lagi nih. Ini akun yang kedua itu kan hilang kan tuh. Udah TP semua tuh. Jadi merah. Paling sebenarnya kripto itu sangat sangat memudahkan kita untuk transaksi di mana-mana. Ya, tapi ya mudah-mudahan ke depannya banyak namanya itu untuk transaksi kemudian seperti kayak kripto itu untuk pembayaran itu lebih enak, Pak.
Crypto's rise in popularity here coincided with the pandemic. Now, Indonesia has the 7th highest cryptocurrency user base of anywhere in the world, an estimated 7 million people. This boom has been fueled by working-class Indonesians anxious to boost their income.
Halo semuanya, buat kalian yang lagi ada di Jogja, jangan lupa datang ke acara Toko Crypto Ghost di Yogyakarta bersama iCrypto Media.
Between 2020 and 2021, the value of crypto assets traded in Indonesia jumped from $4.5 to almost $50 billion. It's pretty easy to get into crypto here. People use local apps like Pintu and Toko Crypto to buy cryptocurrency for as little as 75 cents. But there is one major obstacle. Late last year, Indonesia's top Islamic council, which advises the secular government, declared that using crypto for payments was against the laws of Islam.
Cryptocurrency sebagai mata uang hukumnya haram karena mengandung gharar, darar, dan bertentangan dengan Undang-Undang Nomor 7 Tahun 2011 dan Peraturan BI Nomor 17 Tahun 2015.
Scholars from the Indonesian Ulama Council declared that the potential for speculation, the lack of regulation, and the fact that crypto isn't tangible like property or gold makes it dangerous for Muslims.
Nah sekarang kalau orang pakai rupiah beli kripto, tujuannya apa? Cari selisih kan? Jadi misalnya pada saat dia beli misalnya 100 juta, misalnya seperti itu. Nah karakter begitu, saya bilang kalau kita membeli real saja, kalau kita tujuannya untuk mencari selisih, itu sudah spekulasi.
Then, in January 2022, another religious council, the Muhammadiyah, issued a ruling or fatwa declaring cryptocurrency un-Islamic. The fatwas in Indonesia are the most unified stance Islamic authorities in any country have taken on crypto. Some of their concerns seem pretty reasonable.
Misalnya ada orang yang transaksi atas dasar ilmunya, selisih yang besar ya kan katanya. Bisa jadi orang mendapatkan keuntungan dalam semalam sampai ratusan juta, bahkan ada yang miliaran gitu. Nah kemudian dia sampaikan ke orang yang tidak punya ilmunya, ikut. Iya kan? Duitnya hasil pinjam. Duitnya misalnya yang harusnya pakai belanja, pakai di situ. Itu kan melahirkan madarat umum.
Religious authorities.
I think I understand where the religious leader just now what he is trying to say. Because first of all, yes, I think if you mention that you want to gain profit from the difference, if it's not accordance to Islamic law, then you shouldn't do it. But if I believe there's another way to invest in crypto whereby you buy it for long term. Okay, for long term. If you mention something about gold and also housing, the price also go up and down. But if you are not doing it for short term, I think my understanding is the idea is whether you are looking at it short term or long term. If you just want to buy it and hold it, which is not which means you need to buy the underlying. You buy Bitcoin and for example, Bitcoin, you buy it and keep it for long term or hodl, like the crypto people say it. Seems like it's different. My understanding is different. So I think the wrong thing is you only buy and sell in trading, and I'm not very sure whether it involves trading in other asset class or specifically crypto, but I just want to let you know, I think there are other ways you can invest in crypto. And the second part about, yes, you invite other people who are not knowledgeable, I think it can do harm for the person. I believe a lot of religion, all religion, I mean, I myself is a Christian, I believe most religion believe that you shouldn't do harm for other people. So I do agree, and I vehemently agree that causing harm is not good. So that's why I'm making this kind of video to give you information so that before you even jump into crypto, you have enough information to do it and not just being lured by the promise of earning more.
Haven't ruled out accepting crypto in the future, if it could adapt to Islamic laws.
Aku yakin kok pasti ada cryptocurrency yang syariah gitu, yang bentuk minimum dari cryptocurrency yang comply dengan syariah itu adalah yang 1:1 dengan real aset seperti itu, misalnya contohnya emas gitu.
Putri Madarina is a Sharia financial planner and crypto investor who helps people manage money according to Islamic law. She says the fatwa's warnings about crypto are actually having an opposite effect.
Kalau misalnya kita melihat dari data yang ada gitu ya, aku juga sempat cek ke beberapa teman yang merupakan direksi dari platform-platform yang sudah berizin, itu sebenarnya nggak ada pengaruhnya gitu. Jadi bahkan memberikan awareness lebih dan ketertarikan yang lebih.
Madarina says, thinking long-term and avoiding risk and uncertainty can make crypto investments workable for practicing Muslims.
Sebenarnya aku bisa bilang satu strategi yang, atau sebenarnya bahasa sederhananya nyicil sedikit-sedikit tapi rutin. Selalu terbuka gitu ya, walaupun kita punya pedoman misalnya fikih, hadis, ayat-ayat Quran, tapi kita tetap harus stay logical aja. Karena kan perkembangan zaman kan akan terus bergulir ya, kayak gitu.
I like what she's saying. Just invest little by little for long term. Is basically the thing that most investors say, which is dollar cost averaging. So don't try to time the market. Yes, you buy the dip, but when to buy the dip? Do you miss the dip? I mean, you don't need to think about it. Just do small investment for a long period of time. That's what I'm doing right now, especially during this bear market. A lot of people keep asking me, is it the bottom? Is it the bottom? Do I need to buy now? Just buy within certain intervals, small amount. Maybe like $50, well, maybe even $20 every maybe 2 weeks, 1 month, up to you. Whatever amount and whatever time frame is comfortable for you.
As it stands, the Indonesian government recognizes crypto as an asset, but it can't legally be used to pay for things. For Halim, reconciling crypto with his faith was one obstacle, but the real problem was that crypto trading just wasn't as lucrative as he hoped. He pulled his money out, breaking pretty much even.
Kripto itu kalau turun itu turun jauh banget sampai benar-benar naik pun naik begitu.
Udah Mas, makasih Mas.
Iya Mas. Trading aja sih, trading, jual beli. Cuman ya itu.
Oke, Mas ya.
Iya Pak, iya makasih Pak. Iya, amin. Santai, arti santai itu nggak bisa dipasangin robot Pak.
Nama saya Zamroni Salim. Pekerjaan saya adalah peneliti ekonomi, khususnya perdagangan internasional di Pusat Penelitian Ekonomi di Badan Riset dan Inovasi Nasional. Menurut saya, kelompok demografi yang masuk ke kripto ini adalah generasi milenial, itu terbanyak ya. Di Indonesia ini anak-anak mudanya akan mengambil pasar itu. Dan pasarnya cukup besar ketika kita bicara penduduk muslim dunia. Dengan pandemi, maka kripto menjadi lebih berkembang di Indonesia. Ketika aktivitas fisik keluar rumah, ke kantor, ke tempat kerja itu terbatas, orang cenderung akses terhadap internet lebih besar. Begitu akses terhadap internet lebih besar, maka orang cenderung mencari tahu apa sih investasi apa yang menarik, salah satunya adalah kripto. Perlu ditanamkan di edukasi ke masyarakat adalah, pertama, ketika investasi ke kripto, pastikan bahwa Anda memahaminya, risikonya. Perkembangannya cukup pesat. Dilihat dari jumlah bank yang bergerak dari yang konvensional ke syariah, juga dari nilai tabungan yang ada di syariah. Energi terhadap kripto di Indonesia sepanjang itu pada status sebagai aset. Kripto di Indonesia menurut saya cerah.
I think it's very interesting the last statement that the last person say, whereby the future will be bright for crypto if it's deemed as an asset. For my understanding, seems like as long as crypto is an asset, it can be debated that actually you are buying an asset just like house or gold. And as long as you do it with a long-term mentality, it's just like any other investment and it can be halal. I mean, that's my take on the last statement that the person said. But I might be wrong. You can correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, or you can PM me. I mean, I'm not an expert in this area. But this is interesting because seems like they mentioned that the government see this as an asset, and information for all of you that is not aware, in Indonesia actually is a legal asset. A lot of people think that crypto is illegal in Indonesia. No, actually it's considered a legal asset, but it's viewed as a commodity. That's why it's under the jurisdiction, under the legal jurisdiction and monitoring of BAPEPT, which is the equivalent of commodities and future trading in US. So they are regulated, but not as securities, but as commodities. And also another point to make is it's not viewed as currency, so it's not a medium of exchange yet in Indonesia. I believe in this point, a lot of the countries still view crypto not as a medium of exchange, even though when it first created, when Bitcoin first created, is to be a currency, as a medium of exchange, unit of accounting, and store of value. But regardless, whether the country Indonesia, my beloved country, choose it as an asset or as a currency, the main thing is I'm happy that there seems to be more awareness in this asset class. So yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoy the video as much as I am. Enjoy watching me reacting, and hopefully all the input that I give on the crypto aspect of it is helpful for you. Until next time, keep on learning crypto.